Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to tell you about the gross profit and how to calculate the gross margin. So here for this we need to think about the net sales and the cost of a material. Suppose a material's net sales is 200 and the COGS value, the cost of goods sold, suppose it is 100. So for a material the cost is 100 and the net sales is 200. So the profit is net sales minus COGS, so which is 100. So 100 is the profit in this case. Now if I want to calculate the gross margin, so gross margin is your profit divided by net sales. Here net sales is 200 multiplied with 100. It is 50%. So 50% is the gross margin for this product. So in this way you can always calculate the whole balance sheet of a company, and or you can calculate the individual product of a company. So this is the logic, or this is the concept how you can calculate the gross margin. Thank you for watching this video.